If you are encountering the disk image file as corrupted error in Windows 11, there are a couple of effective methods to resolve this issue. First, we will try a built-in Windows tool. Locate the disk image file that is causing the error, right-click on it, and select Properties. Within the Properties window, navigate to the Tools tab. Here, you will find an error checking section. Click on the Check button. Windows will then prompt you to scan the drive for potential errors. Click on Scan Drive and allow the process to complete. If the first method does not resolve the problem, we will proceed with using the command prompt for a more thorough scan. Open the Windows search bar by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Command Prompt. In the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This will open the command prompt with elevated privileges. In the command prompt window, type the following command precisely. Thiswalokashi C Vaser /F. Replace C with the drive letter where your corrupted disk image file is located if it is not on the C drive. Press Enter to execute the command. You might be prompted to schedule this scan for the next system restart. If so, press Y and then press Enter. Restart your computer to allow the disk check to run. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.